So you can see I'm in my Teams home screen here. I've got all my teams that I'm a member of showing here. Now you might notice I've got nice little icons on each of mine. They don't start out like this. You have to go and click on these three little epsilons top right hand and go to edit team. That should pull up a little pop-up window which gives you a choice of icons to select, and there's also an upload button if you don't like any of the suggestions. It's a good idea to do that when a student looks at his assignment screen. They'll get all the assignments listed one after the other, and the icons will help them work out which homework is which. Check out these other great videos on using Office 365 tools in your classroom or in your remote learning setup. Stay safe, keep your hands clean, and I'll see you on the next video.